weirdo. He eats his pizza with a knife and fork.
I use knife and fork when I'm eating my pizza.
Weirdo.
So let's try. Hi guys, welcome to the Traveling Hobbit. I'm Neil and this is Bishop.
Hi guys.
And today we're going to be doing some infusion oils for your favorite meals.
Yep.
So what we're going to do today is 3 kind of like basic but flavorful infusions, which is lemon infusion, garlic, and peppers, hot peppers infusions. Okay, so here are the ingredients for it.
Tomorrow for sure.
Hi guys, so it's been a few days now and we are trying to make this oil and the garlic infused all together. So we're just going to try it in our pizza, okay? So let's go. Hope this works. It does work. Look at that. I hope it's really nice though. So let's see, we'll see.
He's a weirdo. He eats his pizza with a knife and fork.
I use knife and fork when I'm eating my pizza.
Weirdo.
So let's try then, guys, okay? Ooh.
Is it strong?
You can taste the garlic.
It works.
Really well, so it works, yeah. Really nice for the pizza. So you can also use this one in some of the things like bread or panini or anything.
Mix it with balsamic vinegar.
Mix it with balsamic vinegar, dip.
Or use it as a marinade as well.
Yeah, so it's good, yeah. Really nice. So yeah, really good, guys. So that's it for today's episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Even though it's a short one, it's still very creative, really, though, in what we do. So these oils are really handy for your cooking. Okay, so always remember, guys, create happy memories and always keep smiling. See you soon. Bye.